Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Cosec theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We should take first left hand side. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. We can change it 1 by sin theta cosec theta, cos theta by sin theta cot theta whole square. Take sin theta as common, 1 minus cos theta whole square. 1 minus cos theta whole square separate, bottom sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square by, instead of sin square we can write 1 minus cos square. How? Cos square plus sin square equal to 1, sin square equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we can substitute, instead of sin square 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square whole square divided by 1 square minus cos square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Here we have to put a1 b cos theta, a1 b cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. In top 1 minus cos theta whole square. This 1 minus cos theta square will cancel. We will get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So we proved.